So even though PT envelopes are actually for binary mixtures, or at least they will be more interesting to analyze that, we can still use the PT envelope tool to analyze pure substances. In this case, we're going to choose benzene, toluene, and water. And what we're going to do is essentially to get the vapor pressure of pure component. So let's do it. This is water, benzene, toluene, and why not some ethanol. Method is not stated. Let's assume this is NRTL. Run, and let's go for PT envelope. First PT envelope. Let's assume this is mainly water. This is at 1 bar, so let's run the analysis for water. Now let's do the same for all other. Sorry, it's not pure, delete that. And add a PT envelope for benzene. And a new one for toluene. And finally a new one for ethanol. So let me show you that even though if I change the value of the flow rate, we are going to still get the same data. Okay, perfect. Now let us compare between them. Let me merge all the plots to one. Let me use the same y-axis. So let's make an analysis here. So this is much more relevant data, so we can compare directly between the species, the least polarity and more volatile, and we can check results as well for each substance. This way we can verify PT envelopes for pure substances. Please note that I don't think it's that important because you can do this with the pure analysis tool. You just select PL, which is vapor pressure of pure substances, and you will get the same graph.